Today we'll be answering a few questions that we've been getting commonly, and that is, firstly, where are our heads assembled? And secondly, do we have them in stock? If you see them on our website, yes, we have them in stock. When we run out of stock, they get taken down. Here is a ZD30 head that's being assembled. As you can see, we have an assembly room here. If we have a look, we've got some equipment here. We've got a grinder. We've also got our valve facer here. Got 2 assembly benches, and we typically have at least 1 person, but most of the time 2 people in here assembling heads. On this side here, so when the heads are assembled, we normally do them in a production run. These are our assembled heads here that don't come with gaskets, so every head that we do just about is available with or without gaskets and head bolts. On this side, we have head kits that you can actually put together yourself that come with a head, gaskets, head bolts if they use torque-to-yield bolts, and a set of valves. And then moving forward from there, these are our runs of heads that are assembled with gaskets, head bolts, everything ready to bolt straight on. And we've got another aisle around the other side. So as you can see, we've got quite a bit of stock. If you order these before 2 p.m, they will leave same day.